built a lonely chapel for the not yet wed, a waiting room of whispers, a hunger half fed.
But Christ won't break his bride into categorized parts.
One body, one faith, one family with interwoven hearts.
We're all in different seasons, but share typical needs. We sing the same psalms, confess the same creed. Status is not identity. Christ alone defines me. We're not a market, we're a mission. We're not a holding pen for just wishing. Tear down the walls that keep us apart. Give us covenant work for our willing hands and hearts.
Some sit in close circles praying for a wedding ring,
But no one learns to lead or serve or raise offspring.
we sip our coffee, talk of God's good plan,
And never settle in for a suitable woman or man.
the lost are waiting, the fields are wide,
But singles night fogs up our sight. Status is not identity. Christ alone defines me. We're not a market, we're a mission. We're not a holding pen for just wishing. Tear down the walls that keep us apart. Give us covenant work for our willing hands and hearts.
Where are the fathers, the mothers in the faith, calling the young to love with holy grace?
Where is the church united, not a club or clique? All the saints advancing, both strong and
The
meek.
divorced and the widow, the singles and brides, for mission, not status, is where focus abides. We'll set along tables, not fenced up yards.
We are members of the family, not warehoused extra parts. In Christ the lonely find their place, not through programs, but hospitality and grace. Married or single, servant or spouse, one kingdom, one Lord, one holy house. Status is not identity. Christ alone defines me. We're not a market, we're a mission. We're not a holding pen for just wishing. Tear down the walls that keep us apart. Give us covenant work for our willing hands and hearts.
Singleness is neither a curse nor